Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Safari cannot open the page because it could not establish a secure connection to the server. So if you open a website and after that, after some loading, you see this kind of error on your Safari browser. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page. And after closing the page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, you can simply check for your Wi-Fi connection, whether it is working properly or not. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And after restarting your Wi-Fi router, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to the setting and you have to turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after going into settings, what you have to do, you have to go to general. In general, what you have to do, you have to scroll down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to again click on general, and this time you have to check whether it is any kind of update is showing or not. If it is any kind of update is showing, then you can simply update your software update and iOS update. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to App Store, and here what you have to do, you have to simply check for any other browser, and you have to check for the same website whether that website is working on another browser or not. If the problem is same, which means you have to wait for some time because there may be error in that website also. So you have to wait for some time, and after that you can simply try later. And in this way, you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.